Hi Year 13s, in this video we're looking at the area between curves and axes again, but this time we're looking in the case where we've got a curve that crosses over the axis and we're looking for its area. So this question is asking for those areas A and B. So because that area is going to come out negative, we don't want to do our integral across the whole interval from -4 to 2, otherwise that will give us A minus B, which won't be the total area. We want A plus B. And so the area of this curve is going to be the integral from -4 to this point here, which is 0, of x cubed plus 2x squared minus 8x. And we're going to have to subtract the integral of that function. And you might be thinking, well, why are you saying subtract when you just said that's not what we want to do? Because that integral will come out as negative, if we subtract it, two negatives make a positive and they'll actually end up adding together. Okay, so let's evaluate that first integral. So that's going to be x to the 4 over 4 plus 2x to the 3 over 3 minus 4x squared from -4 to 0. We're going to be subtracting that same integral, only it is going to be evaluated over a different integral. Now, when you're doing this sort of problem in an exam situation, putting all of that into your calculator is actually going to be a bit of a nightmare. So you're actually far better off just using that integration function straight up. So we're going to have x to the power of 3 plus 2x squared minus 8, and we're going to go from -4 to 0, and I'll put that into, actually that's not correct, it shouldn't come out negative, I made a mistake. And yes, I have made a mistake. I've just put an 8 instead of 8x. Okay, there we go, 42 2/3. So I'll put that into my calculator's memory. And then we'll do that same interval again, except we'll do it over the interval of 0 to 2. And we'll put that into our calculator as b. And then we just need to go alpha A minus alpha B. And that gives us our total area of 49 2/3. So 49 2/3 is our area for that one. Okay, so just be aware of the factor that negative integrals will have, and be very careful about how you do them. But splitting them up into A and B and adding them together, that's a good way to go about it as well. And you can practice those at exercise 21.06.